This is Grace Fisher. I'm a psychotherapist in private practice and a meditation teacher at Spirit Rock Meditation Center in Northern California. I want to offer a meditation on gratitude. Gratitude and its close cousin, generosity, are really foundational for a happy and inspired life. Gratitude is a practice, it's an attitude, it's an inclining of the mind to what is good and beautiful. And in times like these, we need to be able to harness all the beauty and goodness that we can. So let yourself get comfortable and take a moment to see where your body might be tense. Maybe you feel it in your face, around your eyes or in your forehead or in your jaw. It might be helpful to run your hands along your jawline and let go of whatever tension you can. And then just allow your attention to drop down. Checking in with your shoulders. Can you drop your shoulders down a bit? Maybe roll them back and down. And keep scanning down the body, noticing where there might be tension and if there are ways to release it. Also noticing where there's tension and where you can't, without the need to change it or wish that it were otherwise, but just paying attention. I want to start by offering a practice inspired by the teachings of the Vietnamese Zen master Thich Nhat Hanh. So let your attention stay in the body. And now scanning for places that do feel relaxed. Maybe it's your forearm, or your throat, or your right foot. It can be some small part of the body. Your neck and back. Your belly might be tense, but is there some part of you that feels relaxed? And just let yourself scan to see where this place of relaxation might be in the body. If your body feels so tight right now that you can't find that place, then let yourself imagine it. What if your right hand felt relaxed? What would that be like? What if your belly felt relaxed? Imagine how that would feel. And just allow yourself to stay with this feeling, this question of what's it like to be aware of the sensation of being relaxed. Does it feel good? And you imagine that it might feel good. And really let yourself hang out here, for this is a gratitude practice grounded in the body. Staying with the sensation, real or imagined, of being relaxed, of being at ease. Thich Nhat Hanh's meditation is often called the no toothache meditation. That he posits that in this moment we can reflect on that I don't have a toothache, or I don't have a migraine. We might sometimes find ourselves to be so stressed out, so harried. We can check in and say, well, okay, in this moment I don't have the toothache. I don't have the migraine. And can you let yourself feel a sense of relief or a sense of gratitude, really, for not having that toothache, for not having a migraine or a broken leg? And if in this moment you do have a toothache or a migraine or a broken leg, aren't you glad that you don't have all three at the same time? And this can really be a playful way of just widening our attention to include that which is positive. And sometimes the things that are positive, they're positive in their absence. No toothache, no migraine, no broken limbs. So a mantra to sit with or to take with you out in the world can be, in this moment, there's no toothache. My arm is relaxed. In this moment, I can breathe in, I can breathe out. In this moment, I am alive. Now let your attention widen beyond the body. And with your eyes open, look around you, take in the room or the world around you. And let your attention find and rest upon one beautiful thing. Maybe it's a certain color or a shape or a design. It could be the play of light around you. It doesn't need to be anything big or majestic. And let go of any thoughts of what's not beautiful or how something might be beautiful if only. And just really let your focus, your attention, look about for something that's beautiful and slow down here. What is it that calls your attention? How is it to take in this beautiful object, however small it might be, or this environment? And can you hang out with this sense of appreciation? For this can become its own practice, a way to move in the world, to take in that which is beautiful. Perhaps it's the sunlight on the hills where you live, or the sound of laughter. Can you let yourself slow down in the mornings to appreciate that the bus or the train that you took to work came on time, or that the car you drive started? It's an invitation to notice the beautiful, to notice the positive can become this moving meditation in its own right, a way of rewiring the brain to look for and take in the beauty and the wonder of the world around us in this very moment, amidst all the darkness and all the challenges we may face. I want to expand this one more time and ask you to consider any acts of kindness you've received today or in the last few days. It can be as simple as receiving a smile from someone or someone holding the door for you. And just let yourself scan this day, the last few days, and look for these random acts of kindness. What did you notice? What are you noticing? And what do you feel as you notice or consider, oh, this person did make eye contact with me, or did hold the door open, or did let me go in front of them for some reason? And again, taking in, like, oh, how does it feel to really take that in, this act of kindness? And to then consider your own actions. What random or intentional acts, however small, have you offered to someone else today, or yesterday, or in the last few days? Again, as simple as making eye contact with someone, asking how someone is, and actually pausing to listen to the answer. This too is a practice that is helpful to sit with and reflect upon, to incline the mind towards. It's also really helpful as a mind training to take out into the world, to notice, to look for and appreciate the kindnesses around you. And David Wyatt line, the world offers itself to you. Can we enjoy and take in the beautiful and the kind? To allow ourselves to slow down at times, to appreciate the beauty around you, and taking in the small, simple acts of kindness. And again, it's the training of the mind to start looking and noticing for such things, to take in the beauty and the kindness, to offer it out. For we can all benefit from noticing more beauty in our lives. We can all benefit from noticing more kindness. And the world will certainly benefit from our sharing both.